Code E, part 3 of 10, nozzle holder. Create a new file. Select model template. Select the units millimeter. Enter the name. Nozzle holder. Click OK. Select sketch. Select YZ item plane. Click OK. We are going to draw the profile for our nozzle holder. Draw a line from the sketch origin to a distance of 33 mm, angle 90 degree. Decrease the dimension text height and enter the length with 12.5 mm, angle 0 degree. Enter the length with 29 mm, angle 270 degree. Enter the length angle 180 degree. Enter the length 4 mm, angle 270 degree. Enter the length 3.5 mm, angle 180 degree. Enter the length 6 mm, angle 90 degree. Enter the length 3 mm, angle 0 degree. Enter the length 4 mm, angle 90 degree. And complete the profile here. Select make corner. Select this line and this line. Now rearrange the dimensions. This is the profile for our nozzle holder. Select revolve to specify the vector. Select the line 1 of our sketch. Click OK. Here, threaded hole. Select threaded hole. Into 1 mm pitch. To specify the point, select this point center. Select normal to tools. Enter the hole depth 16 mm. create a hole, diameter 20 mm. Okay. Create a sketch, select this surface, click OK. Now draw a rectangle, select from center, select the existing point, sketch origin, enter the width 23, height 23, angle 0, on the line, select make corner, select make corner, vertical, select mirror, select these three curves, select the horizontal center line, click OK. Now finish the sketch, select extrude, specify vector reverse direction, enter the distance 16 mm. Select subtract from the Boolean operation, click OK. Go to view, show on the file, sketches, curves, and points, right click, orient view to trimetric, save the file, flow, all parts. This completes code E, part 3 of 10, nozzle holder.